Hello and welcome to Wealth Gambit. In this video, we will be talking about the best stocks to buy in May 2021. As you probably noticed, many stocks have dipped quite significantly from their all-time highs. Although it may not feel like it, this is actually a good thing, if you have the cash to take advantage of it. In this video, we will be going over our top 3 stock picks to buy during this dip. Please note that we are not financial advisors and this is not financial advice. If you would like financial advice, please talk to a registered professional. Anyways, let's get right into it. Number 1. IPOE, or soon to be, SOFI. This is one of our favorite long-term stocks as it has massive long-term potential. Due to the stock not yet being super hyped, it is actually very attractively priced, and more so now since it's dipped quite significantly from its all-time highs. For those of you that don't know, SOFI is a social finance company that helps members get their money right. In order to do this, they have a multitude of financial products, such as student loan refinancing, mortgages and mortgage refinancing, and auto loans, just to name a few. SOFI's total addressable market is incredibly large, considering they are trying to become a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Unlike the big banks, however, they are unencumbered by the large infrastructure that often comes with offering a multitude of financial products. SOFI is leveraging technology instead of trying the brick-and-mortar approach used by traditional banks. Because they have significantly less financial obligations, these savings are then passed on directly to the consumer, which makes it really hard for competitors to compete. They also recently acquired Golden Pacific Bancorp Incorporated, which will allow them to offer even more products and services at an even more competitive rate. It's hard to see how competition will keep up, and that's why we are very bullish on the stock. Next up, number 2, Tesla. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk will go down as one of the greatest entrepreneurs of our generation. From co-founding PayPal in 1998, then on to founding SpaceX in 2002, and most notably joining Tesla in 2004 and eventually becoming the CEO. Elon Musk has a long track record of success, so much so that Elon may as well be synonymous with success. Fast forward to the present and he is still at the helm of Tesla today. His leadership has made Tesla into one of the most technologically advanced car companies on the planet. The world has decided that the transition to sustainable energy is no longer a want and now a must. The current leader in sustainable energy vehicles is Tesla. It has dropped nearly 50% from its all-time high of $900.40. If you were on the edge about getting into Tesla stock because it was a little too pricey, now seems like as good a time as any. With the company's focus being sustainable energy, energy storage, and having its hands in things like AI, Tesla seems like the perfect hedge against the future onslaught of disruption. Number 3. Nikola. Just kidding. Berkshire Hathaway A or B stock. Now I know what you're thinking. Berkshire Hathaway A or B stock seems a little uninteresting and a little too safe, but hear us out. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are 2 of the greatest investors to have ever lived. You can always trust these 2 to carefully and skillfully allocate capital for you. Also, with the markets being as unpredictable as ever and talks of a potential market crash in the near future, Berkshire Hathaway would benefit tremendously from a crash considering they have approximately $138 billion in cash and short-term investments. If the market were to crash, Berkshire Hathaway would have $138 billion that it could deploy to purchase more great companies for potentially pennies on the dollar. Anyways, that about wraps it up for this week's video, so if you got any value from it, please smash that like button and subscribe for more weekly content. It helps the channel out tremendously and enables us to keep making videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments down below if you're thinking about purchasing any of these stocks or if there's any stocks you think should have been on the list. Alright guys and gals, see you in the next one. Peace!